Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about luxury things, lifestyle, bags and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. When I did the full review on Loewe Puzzle Hobo Slouchy bag, that one of you pointed out that actually this bag has a sister bag as you wish. And here I'm talking about Bottega Veneta brick cassette bag. And actually before one of you highlighted that, I kind of didn't realize that. I did the full review on both bags, including the what shots, what fits. I'm going to stick all of those videos below in the description box for you to check out. But today I want to put those two beauties side by side to do the comparison, also known as the ultimate battle of two beautiful bags, Loewe Hobo Puzzle Slouchy bag and Bottega Veneta cassette brick version. I'm going to cover some similarities and the differences between these two beautiful bags, and also going to show you how they look on me side by side in the mod shots at the end of the video. And of course we will start with the design of both bags because they are noticeably very similar. As you can see, they both kind of have the cuboidal shape and also a shoulder strap. Both bags comes from the original designs. So for example, Loewe Puzzle Hobo Slouchy bag come from the original family of the puzzle bags, and it doesn't have any removable adjustable strap, only comes with a shoulder strap and has a kind of a longer body than the original puzzle bag. Then with this one, Bottega Veneta brick cassette bag, as you can guess, that comes from the cassette family, and again it also has a longer body, cuboidal shape, and shoulder strap instead of a crossbody strap. And here we come to the first difference between these two bags, and it's an adjustable option on the shoulder strap. As you can see, brick cassette has that adjustable option similar to original cassette, when the puzzle hobo bag, nothing at all, just a wide shoulder strap. If we're talking about the leather, puzzle bag made of 100% Napa calf leather. It's very soft, very tactile. I mentioned that before a few times in the previous videos, which was dedicated to the puzzle hobo bag, but you know, I am a massive fan of those tactile bags. That's why I've said it before and I'm going to say that again, this bag is amazing in the sense of being so tactile. And it also contributes of the very lightweight of this medium-sized bag. It's 340 grams, just that much. Some of my mini bags weigh that, and here we have full-size medium bag being so light. Unlike Bottega Veneta brick cassette, it's made of 100% lamb leather, quite good, resistible, thick lamb leather, creating those enhanced intrecciato waves, which is a signature of Bottega Veneta fashion house. So it's all over the bag, on the sides and on the back. And to make it happen, the designers made those waves pretty thick. And that's why the bag is much heavier. It's still in the medium range for the medium size bag. However, it's much heavier than this one, and it's a 540 grams. And you know, when I hold this bag just on its own, I kind of didn't notice that. I'm like, oh yeah, it's like not heavy, not here, not there, that sort of thing. But when I compare them together and I'm holding that together, this one, Loewe Hobo Puzzle bag, feels significantly lighter. And if we're talking about leather, I definitely should mention the durability and resistance to different marks and the stains of the leather. As I mentioned before, the 100% Napa calf leather is really good because it's so soft. It's really good against any scratches. It's not that good in the sense of resistance to the color transfer, and that's why I'm being very careful when I'm around this bag wearing a dark colors or a dark denim. It's not a problem for the dark colors, obviously, but because this one is some sort of mustard and ochre color, that's why I'm trying to be careful. I learned my lesson too hard with my padded cassette from the Bottega Veneta being in a caramel color, and I didn't think about that, and you know, now, nah. If you want to see how it looks like now, go for the video 3 years wear and tear for Bottega Veneta padded cassette. I'm going to leave the link below. But back to those beautiful bags. So as I mentioned, it's really good against the scratches and the stains, and durability of the bag is really good. Just be aware of the color transfer. Here with the Bottega Veneta brick cassette, we're dealing with a lamb leather, and the lamb leather is always more delicate than calf leather. And here I already can see, guys, it's a brand new bag. I'm not going to lie to you, it's a brand new bag, and I already can see a little scratches on the strap, and actually some scratches on the bag itself, and those scratches came from something lying on top of the actual bag when the bag was stored in the shop. It's definitely because that I received a brand new bag. Possibly those marks came from the factory. Unfortunately, that's what we have to deal when we are dealing with a lamb leather. And of course for this bag, color transfer. Keep it in mind, again, it's a very delicate caramel color in the lamb leather. Moving along, we are coming to the closure of the bag. So both bags has a zip closure. Beautiful, nice gold hardware here. And also here on Loewe Puzzle Hobo bag, we also have a gold hardware and the zip closure hidden under this top flap. If we're looking inside the bag, the Bottega Veneta brick cassette is actually copying the original cassette bag. So we have a one big hole and attached large leather pocket inside, a zip pocket. Do you remember what the original padded cassette looks like? And it's actually, the padded cassette looks absolutely the same. So this is the same way. One big hole and attached a leather pocket inside with a little zip. And the pocket is like actually quite big and spacious. Even my iPhone Pro Max would go in there, which is 16 centimeters long. If we're looking into the Loewe Puzzle Hobo bag, here is very similar situation. We've got a one big hole, which contributes to the big capacity of the bag, and also a one pocket inside, and it's a textile interior, and it's actually really good one because, guys, just a few days ago I spilled, oh, I shouldn't do that, I know it's wrong, but I spilled a little bit of yogurt, and it was some sort of strawberry yogurt. I spilled it inside, being so uncareful. Luckily I just needed like a little swipe with a wet cloth and it's all gone and disappeared. That's really good, and I'm really happy about that. And with a Loewe Hobo Puzzle bag, we have also a zipped pocket on the back of the bag. I mentioned that so many times before. I'm a big sucker for the back pockets, guys. I rarely use them, but I love them, and it's like such a nice, good addition for me on the bag. Sometimes it's a deal breaker. You wouldn't believe it, but sometimes, and it's like, I know it's ridiculous because I don't use them that much. Still, really enjoy this back pocket situation on Loewe Hobo Puzzle bag here. As you can see, the brick cassette from Bottega Veneta does not have any back pockets, so it's basically just a simple bag inside and out. I'm not going to cover what fits test in this particular video for both bags because I made the separate video for Loewe Hobo Puzzle bag, what fits experiment for this one, recommend to watch. And also I covered what fits test for Bottega Veneta brick cassette in the original review for this bag. So if you want to see them, please check them out. I'm going to leave the link below in the description box. Here I just want to mention that the both tests showed that the capacity of Loewe Puzzle bag is bigger, and I believe it's due to that slouchy shape, and it just because we can kind of like a stretch the bag more, and that's why we can fit more inside this particular bag. When with a brick cassette, we have a very structured framed bag, which does not allow us to put as much as we want. And again, because of this very strict structure, the bag, you think when you look at this bag, is it actually can fit more. Unfortunately not. And I will cover that in what fits section of the full review of this bag. If we're talking about price point, the most interesting part, at the moment, Loewe Puzzle Hobo bag is being retailed in the UK for £1,800, when Bottega Veneta brick cassette in this regular size, because bag also comes in the smaller size, this one is being retailed for £2,060. This one at the moment is more expensive, but you know, price wise now with the luxury bags and the luxury items, the price is basically going up every, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months? I can't keep up anymore. But don't forget that the quality of both bags are absolutely amazing. And to prove it, Bottega Veneta recently introduced lifetime warranty on all their bags. So if you have any issues with any of their bags, like scratches or those little prints of something from the factory, you can always address that, not just to the retailer when you purchase this bag, but Bottega Veneta itself, which I believe is a real sign of luxury. And it's time for my short, guys. I'm going to show you how Loewe Puzzle Hobo Slouchy bag and also Bottega Veneta brick cassette looked on me side by side. Just to remind you, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. Because it's a simply shoulder bag, which don't have, both of them don't have adjustable or removable longer strap to wear that crossbody. We start with a first option. It's a left or a right shoulder. And don't forget that Bottega Veneta brick cassette has adjustable option there, so you can adjust the shoulder strap to your liking. And then also, because the shoulder straps are long enough, you can wear the bag on the crook of your arm, both of them, and also in your hands. And because it's the ultimate battle between Loewe Puzzle Hobo Slouchy bag and Bottega Veneta brick cassette, I have to choose the winner, which one I prefer the best. And my winner today, I think it's easy to guess, is Puzzle bag. I mentioned that before quite a few times, that this beautiful light creation was one of my biggest surprises of 2022. I didn't expect myself to like this bag so much, and I won't stop to advertise this bag everywhere because I believe it's such an understated bag. It's beautiful. It comes from the original Puzzle family. It's so lightweight, the leather is amazing quality, and it's so tactile, and it fits a ton for medium-sized bag. And that's why my winner today, sorry Bottega Veneta, I love you too, but my winner today is Loewe Puzzle Hobo bag in a slouchy version. And that's me for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification button, and I will see you next time. Bye!